Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best immersion blenders in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Braun Multi-Quick Immersion Hand Blender plus 1.5 Cup Food Processor, Whisk, Beaker Masher, MQ7027. Braun, the #1 brand in hand blenders, opens a world of new possibilities in the kitchen with the MQ7027 Multi-Quick Hand Blender. With the new Easy Smart Speed technology and 500 watts of power, you can intuitively select the proper speed for the given task. With just one touch, the more you squeeze, the more speed you get. The world's first ACTIV blade technology incorporates a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, resulting in 250% more active cutting surface ** for finer blending. Combined with Braun's patented PowerBell Plus system, ultra-hard stainless steel blades and added milling blade can easily blend large quantities of food. The unique bell-shaped design decreases suction up to 25% less and gives you faster, more even results. Combined with splash control technology, there is virtually no splashing, making cleanup a cinch. Number 2. Vitamix Immersion Blender Stainless Steel, 18 inches. One-handed operation allows users to add ingredients without interrupting the blend. 5 variable speed settings. LED light display and ergonomic handle design. Scratch resistance blade guard prevents scratching and marring favorite pots and pans. Easy twist lock assembly. Powerful motor makes every blending task faster. Stainless steel body complements other kitchen appliances. 3-year full. 5 variable speed settings. LED light display and ergonomic handle design. Scratch resistance blade guard prevents scratching and marring favorite pots and pans. Easy twist lock assembly. Powerful motor makes every blending task faster. Stainless steel body complements other kitchen appliances. Included components: immersion motor, immersion wand, owner's manual. Number 1. All-clad cordless rechargeable stainless steel immersion multifunctional hand blender, 5-speed silver. An immersion blender automatically eliminates 2 of the more inconvenient aspects of blending: the lid popping off when you're blending something hot and having to clean the container after you're done. Built for versatility, this blender has a powerful motor and variable speed control dial for everything from those tough-to-chop frozen fruits to delicate creams. Its large size lets you blend even in deep pots with minimal splattering. And since it's cordless, you can take it anywhere, even the patio for mixing drinks. There are also a variety of accessories you can add, like a whisk and chopper, so you can do even more prep work. Features a motor with variable speed options for precise control. Cordless for ultimate portability and mixing wherever you go.